Yeah, welcome back to the YouTube channel Malawian Cameras. Basi ma-update akuti mbwanji pakadali pano. So, tingopasana kumammango Iran, komanso America, komanso ku Israel. Ndi tingoyamba ndi ku Israel ndi Lebanon. Pakadali pano, Israel komanso Lebanon. Kachikenaso. Ali ku America, ali kusainira ma agreement. Kuti ati pakhale mtendere pakati pawo. Kakashi, I mean, you know, anasaina soba mbaja zinaphwasuka. Nde ine chimeji sindupanga understand ndi chinthu chimodzi. Nkhondo siti pakati pa Lebanon ndi Israel. Okay? Like tikayang'ana pamwamba iti. Boma la Israel ndi boma la Lebanon sikuti akumenyana. Ayi. Komano akukambira kuti tindikapanga ndi ma agreement, peace deal, agreement pakati pa Israel ndi boma la Lebanon. Pale gulu lenileni loyenera kupanga nalo deal ndi yani? Ndi Hezbollah osati Lebanon. I don't know kuti pena pake zosamveseseka. Komano ma Israeli akhala kupha ma Lebanese. Kuwapha ndithu, even asilikali kuwapha ndithu lero akapanga nawo deal akuti. So deal yake yopanda ntchito. I don't know why akutaya nthawi kumakambirana ndi I don't know. It's just I don't know. Sindikudziwa. So lero akupanga deal imeneyo. And still pa Trump apereka message yokhuza ndi pa Strait of Hormuz. Ati panali madrone okwana 3. Ati ena awaphwasula, ena akuti ina kuti napanga ena afikira ndi ablasha kuti Iran yakupanga zinthu zopusa kwambiri pofuna kuononga ceasefire. Okay? Akutero iwo. So sitinamve mbali ya Iran kuti actually zinthu zimene zizi zaenda bwanji kumene kuko. Right? So, zinthu zikukhala ngati kuonena kuti zikuyenda komano kuyenda kwake kosalongosoka. Zinthu zikukhala ngati zikuyenda koma kuyenda kwake nthu kosalongosoka. Yeah, no wonder. Sitingadabwe pa zinthu ngati zimene zizi. Why? It's because tinakuwuzani kale kuti ma deals amene amasainirana America ndi Iran nthawi zambiri amakhala temporary chabe, kungopangana ma temporary. So, Hezbollah ngakhale Lebanon ndi America akusainirana deal leroli. Komano Naim Qasim, wamkulu wa Hezbollah, wayankhula. Wanena kuti akuluakulu deal iyi singatheke. Deal pakati pa Lebanon ndi Israeli kumenyana nkhondo singatheke unless mpakana chinthu chimodzi chitachitika. Ma Israeli atuluke mu Lebanon basi. Atuluke panepo ndi palibenso discussion. Panepo palibenso zokambirana zene zonse. Nkhondo yatha chimene wakhalira ndi chani. So sometimes zimonanga kuti munake anthu ena samadziwa koma president wakalekale wa ku America Frank Kennedy amanena kuti ineyo sindufuna idea ya Israel imene akumapanga ya expansion yoma kukulitsa maloyo imene sindikuyifuna. Apa nopa china Trump nda china awawaji JD Vance mpaka JD Vance anamfunsa kuti ase Netanyahu afuna chani makamaka.
What does Netanyahu want?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Well, I mean, I can't get inside somebody's head.
Have you asked them what they want? What do you think?
Well, I think that in this particular operation, again, where interests were aligned is we wanted Iranian conventional military power to be much weaker, to be decimated. You know, the Israelis shared that objective. Do I think that there are maybe, I don't know if Bibi thinks this, but do I think there are people within Israeli society who would like to turn Iran into Libya?
Sakudziwa makuti iye akuti sakudziwa. Akuluakulu issue ndiyo mweija project ya Greater Israel. Basi malo aku Lebanon alipemba atenga kale ndi plan yawo limene ndizo mauzura tuluke zimenezo zimene zikuwakanisa tituluke tituluke mu Lebanon. Guys, so izi sizata mpaka na Maisraeli atuluka, and Maisraeli sangatuluke chifukwa iwo ayamba kale kulanda malo aja, afuna apitilize mpaka na landa Lebanon yonse. That's it. Ndekaya muli mosemo. Guys, thank you so much.
That begins to put in place a framework for lasting peace and security. And that's what these two nations deserve. The people of Lebanon have suffered tremendously now for decades as a result of outside interference in their affairs, of countries trying to use the country as a launch pad for attacks. And this is not what the people of Lebanon want, and that's not what they deserve. What they deserve to have is what they once had, and of which there is recent history of, and that is a prosperous and peaceful country, a diverse country where people of different backgrounds were able to live and coexist side by side, and in many ways was the envy of the region and of the world. And it will take a lot of work and some time to get back to that point. But we believe today is the first step in that journey. And the first step is sometimes the hardest step, but it's the one we're taking together today. Obviously, the people of Israel deserve to live in peace and security. The people of northern Israel in particular, who have been targeted repeatedly by terrorist attacks launched from the territory of Lebanon, but not by the Lebanese people, not by the Lebanese government, but by an outside actor who has sought to use that territory to target innocent civilians who have been unable to live in these places for a long time. Every time a siren goes off, you have to stop your schoolwork, you have to stop, you have to wake up. He's here today, it's the beginning of the beginning. There's a lot of work ahead. We don't in any way underestimate the difficulty of the task ahead, but we understand the importance of it, how vital it is, and we are honored to have played a part in bringing this together. I want to specifically recognize all of the representatives here from both sides. The ambassador from Lebanon to the United States, who's a phenomenal ambassador who I've known for a while, we even share a common background here in the United States, coming from we have a Florida ties, and so we're very grateful for all the work she's put in. Obviously, Ambassador Leiter and his team and the work they've done here today. Everyone, all the team that you see assembled here today, including the support we got from the Department of War in these conversations. Our ambassador to Lebanon has done a great job, and we're so honored he's here with us today. And our team here, led by Dan Holler, our counselor, our team here at the State Department, did a phenomenal job. If people want to see the value of professional diplomatic work and of diplomacy, that's what the team here has put together, and I'm very proud of what we've done here at this department in bringing this about. As I said, today is the first step. This first step sometimes is the hardest one, but it's an important one, and the one we've taken to.
Thank you. On behalf of President Aoun and Prime Minister Salam, we would like to thank President Trump, Secretary Rubio, Councillor Holler, Ambassador Issa, and the U.S. government team for hosting and facilitating these historic talks in Washington, D.C. The trilateral framework we signed today is a first step on the road to restoring Lebanese sovereignty and territorial integrity, securing a permanent and final cessation of hostilities, enabling our people to go back to their land, and allowing all Lebanese to live in peace, security, and prosperity. This was a long and difficult meeting. We are grateful to the hosts and to the two delegations for their cooperation during these talks. This milestone was made possible through the leadership of President Aoun, the tenacity of Prime Minister Salam, the resilience of Ambassador Karam, and the patriotism of the Lebanese armed forces. Thank you all so much.